Today, we are going to watch The Loved One. Patricia and I don't cry. We don't know how to cry. So we needed to schedule a cry.
Para
We're gonna cry
para lang
today.
ma-cleanse yung eyes.
Oo, kailangan eh. Parang sumisikip na yung dito ko.
Yeah.
Parang sa atin na lumalaki.
Otherwise, walang outlet eh.
Wala. Mamaya magtuna yung mata ko the next time
Yeah,
you see
yeah.
me. That's the goal, at least.
In the meantime, magkakape muna kami. In Patricia Thing fashion, I'm lost. Hindi ako makalabas ng grocery. How does that...
How do you even give directions to somebody na ang problema, hindi ako makalabas ng grocery?
How does that even happen? Nasaan na siya?
Patricia!
What happened? How did you get lost?
Hindi ako makalabas ng grocery.
Tapos na namin yung movie. Pero, naming thoughts. Gusto namin munang maupo para makapag-debrief ng maayos.
Ang dami naming thoughts, pero...
Pero bawal mo na magbigay ng opinion.
Pero wala akong masyadong feeling.
Mamaya na nga yung opinion. Saan tayo magka-coffee?
Sa St. Ali Coffee. Because Anne is Australian. And we watch The Loved One. It rhymes. Oh, that doesn't! Australian.
Anne is Australian.
Anne. Kasi akala ko na-rhyme niya sa Loved One. Parang ako
Uy.
ka ba? One. Oh my God, no! We have bread. We're gonna eat our non-feelings.
Thoughts? Anyone? Open forum.
It was very well acted. It was very well acted.
And I think beautiful shots.
Beautifully shot. I mean, the writing was okay. Wala siyang problema. Get?
Hindi mo lang nakuha yung
Gusto ko.
na kumagulgol.
Oo.
Hindi ako natuwa.
Hindi ka na...
Sobrang pinubad niya yung earrings niya. I got bored. Nabore siya. Lubos na yung popcorn niya.
Hindi naman ako na-bore. Pero hindi din ako naiyak. Tapos parang...
May points doon na mapapaisip ka na.
Bakit? Like, anong
Or
pinag-usapan
at some
mo?
point in time, tinanong niyo yun sa kaibigan niyo, bakit isang araw mahal niya ako, tapos kinabukasan, hindi na.
Meron naman moments.
May mga moments.
Lahat. Alam mo, may moments naman talaga siya.
Especially for you, China.
And why the hell would that be, Rio?
It's like inang kotse together.
Hindi, okay.
For 10
Okay.
years.
Naiyak ako dun sa part na may montage. 10 years sila. 10 years si Anne, tsaka si Ellie, tsaka si Earl.
Eric.
Eric pala.